Sorry, it's DJ.
Hello everyone! Bago po tayo mag-proceed sa ating tutorial, babatiin ko muna kayo ng belated Happy Valentine's! Shoutout sa mga single at saka dyan, widows. Anyway, ang tutorial natin ngayon is a very simple math problem. It's about a rectangular lot.
You can get some.
Dika, samahan niyo ako. A rectangular beachfront lot has a perimeter of 1,000 meter. To create a sense of privacy, the lot owner decides to fence along three sides, excluding the sides that fronts the water. The fencing cost along the lot's front length is 1,500 per meter, and along two sides, width is 500 per meter. The total cost of the fencing along all three sides comes to 650,000 pesos. What is the lot's dimension? So, dito, as I've said before, i-analyze muna natin ang problem bago natin i-solve. Kung anong meron given, kung anong meron kailangan, at kung anong shape na kailangan dyan. Now, dito, we're talking about rectangular shape. It's like this, a rectangular shape. Tapos, ang sinasabi diyan na bakuran daw yung tatlong sides except the beach front. Yung dito na yung side na to na may access sa beach. So, ito, bakuran daw yan except this one. And, ang sabi dito, the total cost is 650,000 for the three sides. Now, dito, of course, because rectangular beach front, so rectangular ang natin, i-diagram natin, i-sketch natin ang if sketch the for example, ito yung lote. Oh. Now, halimbawa, ito ang beach front. Ito, dito yung sides na may access sa beach. Tapos ito, ilagay natin dito as Y. And this side is X. This is so, dito, nakasulat dito na ang given dito is the perimeter. The given is the perimeter. Perimeter of this what you call this, a rectangular lot which is equal to 1,000 meter. And then we have this one, the length, the front length is 1,500 per meter. Ang cost to fence the one side is 1,500 meter per meter, sorry. So this one, the cost of the X. Now the cost for the two with this one, the cost of this both is 500 per meter. So the cost of this Y, 2Y, is equal to 500 per meter. 500 pesos per meter. Lahat sila in peso. So 500 peso in meter, this one the cost is 500 meter per meter, and 500 pesos per meter, and this one is 1,500 per meter, the cost pesos. Now, what is required here is the dimension, the lot's dimension. That means what we're looking for is the X and the Y, the length of the sides and the Y. Of course, so this one is excluded. This is not included because we are already putting the fence on here. Ito lang ang bakuran nito. Yung tatlong sides. So, first, because we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the total of this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. This is the perimeter, the total of the sides. Pero kasi pareho yan. So, gawin natin 2x plus 2y. Dahil pareho yan. And it is equal to 100 meter. So, 1,000, sorry. 1,000 meter ang perimeter niya. So we can reduce this one to, by dividing by 2, so it will be 500 is equal to x plus y. Therefore, x can be 500 minus y. This is equation 1. Now, we have equation 1. Now, dito, ang kailangan kasi natin is the dimension of the x and the y we are looking for. So, using this given here, the given costs, we can solve the lot dimension. By using the cost, the total cost is equal to the cost of the one side, the x side, and the cost of the y side. Substituting this one, the cost of the total cost is equal to 650,000 pesos. And the cost of one side, which is equal to 1,500, of course, times the x plus the other side, which is equal to, because it is 2, so 2, here only 1, dahil excluded yan, yung sa beach front, sa side na access to the beach. So 2 times, what is the cost is equal, 2 sides, 2y, times the cost, which is equal to 500 per meter. Kung bakit na-multiply? Kasi ang 1,500 is per meter, so you have to change it to peso only. 1,500 pesos per meter. So, you have to multiply by the distance. So, ang resulta niya, peso, kasi maging consistent tayo. Kailangan maging consistent tayo sa measurement. Kung ito peso, kailangan peso rin dito sa sides. So, dito, kasi ang given dito is in peso per square meter. So, you have to multiply by the length of the sides. So, from each side is equal to 1,500 the cost per square meter, per meter. So, multiply by the length of the side plus 2 times, dahil dalawa, so 2 times the y side times the cost per meter, which is 500. Therefore, here, because we have the price, we have this equation 1, which is the value of x, which is equal to 500 minus y. So, we can substitute it here para iisa na lang ang hanapin natin, para iisa na lang variable, which is y. So, substituting the value of times 1,500 times x, which is equal to 500 minus y, plus 2 times 100 is equal to 1,000 y. Therefore, simplifying this one, y therefore is equal to 200 meter. Yan, nakuha natin ang y. So, how to find the x? Of course, from this equation, x is equal to 500 minus y. Then, substituting the value of y just we solve is minus 200. X therefore is equal to 300. So this is in meter and the other one is in meter, because See, from the very beginning, it is in meter, so we have to be consistent with our measurement. So, therefore, the answer is x is equal to 300 meter and y is equal to 200 meter. Yan ang hinahanap natin, ang x at saka y.
It's DJ.